So Google just released their new AI photo generator, and it can create $10,000 a month agency style ads in just 20 seconds. For years, the biggest advantage the top brands had was creative power. They had premium ads, studio lighting, lifestyle photography, premium website images, you name it. That's what agencies were charging $5,000 to $15,000 a month for. But now, Google just made that available to anyone instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a simple AliExpress photo into a premium Facebook ad, website banner, or Instagram post in seconds using Nano Banana Pro. If you're a dropshipper, this changes your entire strategy. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So we'll jump into my laptop in just a second, and I'll show you how to create these high quality ads. Like for example, I took this AliExpress photo and turned it into this Facebook ad that you can see right here. And this is just the start. This tool is way more advanced than this. I'll be honest, the prompt I used was pretty half-assed. But first, let's briefly mention why this even matters and why it's so important right now. Right now in e-commerce, your ad creatives are your #1 success factor. They single-handedly determine if a product wins or if it fails. And before, most of the top brands were relying on agencies for their ads. But now AI levels the playing field for small brands or beginners. You can now launch brand-like ads instantly from simple AliExpress photos like I just showed you. It was good creatives that used to separate the beginners from the pros in the early days, but now anybody can stand out and look like a $5 million brand. So let's jump into my laptop and make one of these ads. All right, so we're gonna use this sample product right here. I know I've talked about this a few times in the past, but with us rolling into winter right now, this is the perfect time to sell this product. And this right here is what 99% of AliExpress images look like. Flat, boring, unbranded, untrustworthy. But let's go ahead and change that. So first, you want to start by going through all of these product images until you find one with a blank white background like this. I don't like that this one has heat coming out of it and then the remote and then the other angle of it up here. So I'm going to keep searching until I find something different. I'll pull up a couple different listings. And if you don't find something on AliExpress, you can also just go on Google. I typed in mini portable heater AliExpress and you see all these images that come up down here, although I'm still not exactly finding what I'm looking for. We can click this one right here because this is pretty close, and yeah, it brings up exactly what we wanted, like these photos right here. All right, so this is the photo that I'll end up going with. You can see this is your blank, basic AliExpress photo, white background, nothing to it. It's just a picture of our product, but this is gonna be perfect for making our ads. This is exactly what we're looking for. All right, so I'm gonna move over to my AI image generator, and this isn't actually Nano Banana, this is Galaxy AI. And basically this is a service that has every single AI tool out there for just $15 a month. Now, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I'm not giving them a shout out. This is actually something I use every single day. So you guys can get every tool offered from OpenAI, Google, or every other AI tool out there like 11 Labs, HeyGen, and anything else you can think of for just $15 a month. I'll leave a link down below in case you guys are interested, but let's go ahead and get back to this. So right here under image description, this is where you guys are gonna input your prompt. We'll get back to that in just a moment. Here's where you select your actual tool under model. You guys can see right here we have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, Midjourney, Ideogram, GPT, and all of these other ones. Obviously in this video, we want Nano Banana Pro because this literally just came out yesterday. And that's the cool thing about Galaxy AI is it gets all of these tools the day they come out. We'll scroll down and under aspect ratio, we want to go ahead and keep it square or 1:1 for our Facebook ad. We'll go ahead and change this for our banners and our social media posts later, but we want to keep it square. For our resolution, we'll keep it as 1K. For our output format, we'll keep it as PNG. For number of images, I would usually do 4. You want the most outputs as possible. That way you can choose the best one. But in this video, I don't want to use all my credits, so I'm just going to make one. For our actual prompt, I'll go over here to my AI image generator prompts, and I have 3 different prompts that I use for all of my own brands. You guys can actually reach out to me anywhere, social media, email me, just send me the word prompt and I'll send this to you. So I'll copy prompt number 3 down here. We'll go back to Nano Banana. We'll upload our photo. Done. Go up to our prompt right here. We'll paste it in there. And let's go ahead and generate it. So we use 0.12 million credits, and I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when we have our ad. Wow, here's our ad right here. So we could obviously clean up the prompt a little bit because there's still a lot going on here. And the one thing about Nano Banana is it actually gets text right 99% of the time. This is the first time I've seen the text actually screw up. So if you want a more specific prompt actually tailored to your product, you guys can go into ChatGPT and you guys can say something like, give me a prompt to make an AI image in Nano Banana to promote a portable plug-in wall heater, include benefits, testimonials, and anything needed to sell this heater. Obviously, write it around your own product, include any details that you want to. A lot of times I'll tell ChatGPT to go ahead and research my market and include any necessary information. Right here, we have a really great high quality detailed prompt. Wow. Go ahead and copy all of this. We'll go back to Nano Banana. I'll use a couple more credits on you guys and let's go ahead and generate it. And I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when we have something. This usually doesn't take very long. It's only between like 20 and 30 seconds. And obviously you guys want to be a lot more detailed with your prompts than I am. I'm just moving very fast so I don't waste your time. Wow. Here's our new ad right here. This is amazing. This is something I would expect from one of the agencies I work with, and it only took 20 seconds to make. So you guys can download that and use it in any of your Facebook ads, social media posts, wherever you need it. But speaking of that, let's go ahead and make an actual website banner for this. We'll go back into ChatGPT and I'll say, give me a website banner prompt for my Shopify store's homepage. Obviously be a lot more specific with what you're asking ChatGPT, but I'm not selling this product right now. I don't know anything about it. So here's our prompt right here. We'll go ahead and copy all of this. We can see that it told us to use 16:9 format. So we'll go into Galaxy AI, we'll copy all of this, paste it in there. We'll scroll down to our aspect ratio down here, and we're gonna go ahead and select wide, or 16:9. Let's generate this and let's see what kind of website banner it comes up with. Wow, here's our homepage banner that it came up with. This looks amazing. Between showing the product on a wall around the corner in this comfy room and then all this text over here, with a hero image like this, you're gonna stand out and look like a real brand. If you have these AI tools available to you, there's no reason you need to look like a scammy dropshipping store. And those who do aren't gonna make it. So you guys can download that, throw it right on your website. Now let's move into ChatGPT and come up with one more prompt. This time for social media. So I said, give me a good Instagram post prompt. Obviously, you guys want to be a lot more specific with your own brands, but I just want to show you how advanced this tool really is. So here's our prompt right here. I'll go ahead and copy all of this. We'll select everything in Galaxy AI, paste it in there. So we got Nano Banana. This time we're going to go ahead and change our aspect ratio back to 1:1 or square. And let's go ahead and generate our social media post. And here it is. Wow, look how nice this looks. Obviously, there's a little bit much going on with like the 50% off today only and stuff like that. That's why you have to be very specific with what you feed these AI tools. It gives you exactly what you want. So you guys can download that, upload it to Instagram, and hopefully generate some sales on there. But look how simple that was. We created a Facebook ad, our website banner, and a social media post in under 5 minutes using a simple AliExpress photo. These AI tools are really leveling the playing field and making it super easy for beginners to get started, because before you would have to pay thousands of dollars for content like this or spend years learning how to make it yourself. So just for fun, let's go back up to our first prompt. I'm gonna go ahead and copy all of this right here. Now let's upload our photo into ChatGPT and let's test this same prompt on ChatGPT to see which one's better. So we're gonna compare ChatGPT's image creator to Nano Banana Pro. ChatGPT takes a lot longer than Nano Banana, so I'll get back to you guys in just a moment and we'll compare the two. All right, and here it is. Here's our final ad from ChatGPT. Although I thought I specified the aspect ratio on there, or it should have done it itself. Yeah, right there, it says 4:5 vertical format, so it went a little too vertical. I definitely wanted like a 1:1 square, but you can see this is a decent ad. There's nothing bad about this, but it doesn't compare to this one right here that Nano Banana made. This tool is honestly just light years ahead of ChatGPT right now. So I just wanted to compare these two tools for fun. Obviously, this one looks a lot better than ChatGPT. It just has a lot more realism and attention to detail. All right, so now since we can create new ads in 20 seconds, we can test new ads that much faster. Besides your ads, this cleans up all of your product pages and your website, which will definitely increase conversions down the line. But now you can take the most generic products and give them a premium feel. It was typically so much harder to do this before. This single tool just erased one of the biggest barriers that beginners have, looking legit from day one. So in case you guys want to use Nano Banana yourself and generate some of these photos, make sure you're using those white background images, cleaned up high quality photos taken right off of AliExpress showing your product in detail. You don't want to use low res, blurry images or images with a lot going on. Let these tools just focus in on your product. And with your prompts, you want to specify the setting, the lighting, the angles, and any necessary details you need to. Make sure you tell the tool exactly what you're creating, whether it's a Facebook ad, a website banner, a social media post, or anything in between. And always create 2 to 4 variations of each one, so that way you know which one's the best, or you can even A/B test them against each other. But either way, this makes selling products online that much faster and more efficient. The truth is, we're entering a new era of e-commerce. The brands that move fast, test faster, and use tools just like this are gonna leave everyone behind. Creative quality has always been the biggest separator from real brands and dropshippers. But now anyone can look premium on day one without investing thousands of dollars. No more agencies, no more $10,000 retainers, and no more excuses. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for all the tools we talked about in this video down below. You'll also find a ton of helpful resources like my free course to help you get started. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.